ओम यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Somebody was saying the lakshana kevalanvaitvam.
स्ववृत्ति विरोधी वृत्तिमत अत्यंत अभाव अप्रतियोगी अत्यंत अभाव।
स्ववृत्ति विरोधी वृत्तिमत अत्यंताभावा प्रतियोगित्वम केवलान्वयित्वम. Anybody else wants to try?
स्ववृत्ति विरोधी वृत्तिमत अत्यंत अभाव प्रतियोगित्वम अत्यंत अभाव प्रतियोगित्वम साध्यस्य केवल.
Vrittimat Visheshana is given for what?
Akasha.
Not Akasha. Akasha Abhava. Akasha Abhava is Pratyogi of what?
Akasha Bhavasya Bhava.
Akasha Bhava Bhavasya Pratyogi. Akasha Bhava. So, Akasha Bhava Bhava is Akasha. We want to have apratyogi, not pratyogi. So if you say vrittimat, Akasha is not vrittimat. So the lakshana will not go in Akasha Bhava Bhavas se pratyogi. Akasha Bhava. Understood?
Yes, Swamiji.
Everybody understood? Akasha Bhava Bhava. Okay. For that, the Visheshana is Vrittimat and Swavirodhi Vritti. For Swavritti Virodhi. Swavritti Virodhi. Swavritti Virodhi Visheshana is given for Sanyoga Bhava. Sanyoga Bhava is Pratyogi of what?
Sayoga Bhava Bhava Pratyogi.
If I am saying Pratyogi, then you don't have to say Pratyogi. If the question is Sanyoga Bhava is Pratyogi of what? What will be the answer?
Sanyoga Bhava.
Sanyoga Bhava Bhava. Sanyoga Bhava is Pratyogi of what?
Sanyoga Bhava Bhava.
Sanyoga Bhava Bhava. Only that much is the answer. Ghata Bhava is Pratyogi of what?
Ghata Bhava.
You wait. Somebody else give the answer. Ghata Bhava is Pratyogi of what?
Ghata Bhava Bhava.
Ghata Bhava Bhava. Ghata Bhava is Pratyogi of Ghata Bhava Bhava. Ghata is Pratyogi of what?
Ghata
Bhava.
Ghata is Pratyogi of Ghata Bhava. Atyanta Bhava is Atyanta Bhava. Will be what?
प्रतियोगी.
Pratiyogi. Atyantavava is Pratiyogi. Okay, so I think this Lakshana is clear. One correction, anybody has question in this Lakshana? No. One correction is there on that page, which we didn't see in the last class, but in the previous class, on page 89 in Tippani. See the Yatireki Vyapti, how they have given first line in the Tippani. व्यतिरेक मात्र व्याप्ति ज्ञानवतः पुरुषस्यापि पर्वते अविच्छिन्न मूल धूम दर्शनेन धूमस्य विद्यमानतया वन्याभाव व्याप्यस्य is given, make it व्यापकस्य. वन्याभाव is व्यापक, वन्याभाव व्यापक is धूमाभाव, so वन्याभाव व्यापकस्य it should be. It is given vanya abhava vyapyasya. Vanya abhav is vyapaka or vyapya?
व्याप्य.
व्याप्य.
Vanya abhav is vyapya. So vanya abhava vyapakasya dhuma bhavasya. Cha avidyamanataya, then
व्याप्यस्य
vyapyasya. Vanya abhavas vyapyasya vanya abhavasya api abhava. Vanya abhava is vyapya. Vyapyasya vanya abhavasya api abhava. Okay, so that part is done. Then yesterday one more question came. Why do we say Vyapti is in Vyapya? In Dhuma. In the Sadhetu, we say Vyapti is in Dhuma. In the Vyapya. So the question was, why don't we say Vyapti is in Vyapya and Vyapaka both? So this is how in tradition they say Vyapti is in Vyapya. Vyapti, if it is in Vyapaka, it is true only when it is Sadhetu. In Asadhetu, it will not happen. This is also another thing we should remember. But we say this way only. Vyapti is in Vyapya. Vyapti Ashraya. Vyapti Ashraya will be Vyapya. So in Hindi, this is how we say. Dhoom mein vanya ki vyapti. In Dhoom, Vanni pervades. In Vanni, Dhuma doesn't pervade. Why in Vanni, Dhuma doesn't pervade? Why in Vanni, Dhuma doesn't pervade?
We can have Vanni but no Dhuma.
We can have Vanni where there is no Dhuma, like in Ayogolaka. So wherever Vanni is, Dhuma is not available. But wherever Dhuma is, Vanni is available. Okay, further now. So this Kechit Paksha is going on. Okay. See Tippani number 1 on page number 89. The remaining part now we can see. Kechit Shikhamani Karaha, that line. स्ववृत्तिरित्यादेरयम् अर्थः वृत्ति शब्देन अत्र आधेयता ग्राह्या. वृत्ति शब्द here refers to आधेयता. वृत्ति शब्देन अत्र आधेयता ग्राह्या. वृत्ति means when we say स्ववृत्ति, आधेयता, adhyata will be in ghata or in bhutala.
Bhutala.
Ghat.
And
Ghata.
adharata will be what?
That will be Bhutala. Adharat will be Bhutala and Adheya will be Ghat.
Adhyata will be in ghata, not in bhutala. Adhar, adheya sambandha, this is common. It is not necessarily in Nyaya only, anywhere. In Mandukya Upanishad, in 7th mantra, Bhashya, in the beginning, this discussion is there. Kunde Badaraha, like that, this Jagat in Brahma, स्वशब्देन घटादयो ग्राह्याः. आधेयता वृत्ति शब्देन आधेयता ग्राह्य. स्वशब्देन घटादय. So now स्ववृत्ति विरोधी वृत्तिमत, this is the वाक्य, this first part. स्वशब्देन घटादय. Not न प्रमेयत्वादीनि, not प्रमेयत्व आदि. Why? Because he says प्रमेयत्वादि वृत्ति विरोधी वृत्तिमद अत्यंता भावस्य अप्रसिद्धत्वात्. If you say स्व as प्रमेयत्व, प्रमेयत्वादि, प्रमेयत्वादि वृत्ति विरोधी वृत्तिमत, स्व वृत्ति विरोधी वृत्तिमत, so प्रमेयत्वादि वृत्ति विरोधी वृत्तिमत, that अत्यंता भाव is अप्रसिद्ध. So how to do Lakshana Samanvaya, he himself explains. Tathacha. Ghatadi nishtha ya adheyata. Ghata will have adheyata. Adheyata will be in ghata. Ghatadi nishtha adheyata. Whenever you have such difficulty in understanding, quickly draw one small diagram. Bhutala, ghata, ghata, adheya, bhutala, adhara. So then in your buddhi, adheyata is in ghata, ghatadinishta adheyata. Tad virodhi, adheyatavan will be what? Ghata shunya deshastho ghata atyanta bhava. This ghata, you can see this ghata.
Yes, Swamiji.
So this ghata nishtha adheyata. Tad virodhi, in this hand, there is no ghata. So tad virodhi adheyatavan is ghata shunya desha. Tatstha ghata atyanta bhava. There is ghata atyanta bhava in this. So ghata dinishta adheyata is here. Ghata atyanta bhava is here. Swa means ghata. Swavritti. Swavritti is this desha where ghata is. Tad virodhi is that desha where ghata atyanta bhava is. This is virodhi. Vrittimat will be ghata atyanta bhava. It's pratiyogi. Ghata atyanta bhava pratiyogi will be what?
Ghata.
Ghataha. Ghata atyanta bhava pratiyogi will be ghata. So swa is this ghata. Swa vritti is this bhutala. Swa vritti. Virodhi. Vrittimat is ghata atyanta bhava. Ghata atyanta bhava. Pratiyogi is ghata, not apratiyogi. So Ghata will become Swavritti Virodhi Vrittimat Atyanta Pratiyogi. So Ghata will be Kevalanvayi or not?
No.
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 Yes or no?
No.
No. Because Kevalanvayi is Swavritti Virodhi Vrittimat Atyanta Apratiyogitva. So Ghata will be Atyanta Pratiyogi. Prameyatvadi will be Atyanta Apratiyogi. Because Prameyatvadi's Atyanta Bhava is Aprasiddha. Therefore, they are Kevalanvayi. Tika, third line. This entire Anumanam now is all like this. Even though there are only 10 or 15 more pages, whatever hairs are there, all will be gone. Nacha Shruti Virodaha Shankyaha. Now you see next few sentences. In all sentences, they all are beginning with Nacha, Nacha, Nacha. See Nacha Shruti Virodaha, Nacha Lakshane, Nacha Brahmanaha, Nacha Etavata, Nacha Evam Api, Nacha Evam. All this Nacha is by Kechit, Shikhamanikara, who is the son of Dharmaraja Dwarindra, who is saying Vyatireki Vyapti is valid. Okay. And after Nacha, whoever is saying is Siddhanti, who says we don't accept Vyatireki Vyapti. Nacha Shruti Virodaha. Nacha Purva Paksha. Shikhamani will say. Shruti Virodaha, somebody will ask, what about Shruti Viroda? Which Shruti? Third number Tippani, Nehananasti Kinchana. Shikhamani says, Kechit says, Shruti Viroda na Shankya. Why? Now, Brahma, according to Vedanta, Brahma is Kevalanvayi or not?
Yes.
Anvai Rupa.
Not Kevala.
No, that is Vyapti. That is Vyapti. According to Vedanta, Anvayi Rupa is the Vyapti. But Brahma is Kevala Anvayi because you don't get Atyanta Bhava of Brahma. Brahma Atyanta Bhava is Prasiddha.
No.
No. So Brahma is Kevalanvayi. According to Vedanta, Brahma alone is Kevalanvayi. Other than Brahma, there is Atyanta Bhava of everything else. Correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Because when we say Neha Nanasti Kinchana, Na Iha, Iha means Brahmani, Nana Asti Kinchana. In Brahma, there is no Nana. No Nana means there is nothing whose Atyanta Bhava is not there. They all will have Atyanta Bhava. Brahma alone is free from Atyanta Bhava. Okay. So then, Siddhanti is telling Purvapakshi, if you say Prameyatva is Kevalanvayi, Akasha Abhava is Kevalanvayi, Sanyoga Bhava is Kevalanvayi, Abhideyatva is Kevalanvayi. We say only Brahma is Kevalanvayi because in Brahma there is nothing else. You are seeing so many things, that is Nana. So there is Shruti Virodha. Purva Paksha says there is no Shruti Virodha. Why? Tasyapi Paramarthikatva Avachinna Dvaita Abhava Paratvat. That Shruti, he says, from Paramarthika standpoint, there is no Nana. Tasyapi Paramarthikatva Avachinna Dvaita Abhava. In Brahma, Paramarthikatva Avachinna Dvaita Abhava is there. So that Shruti says, from Paramartha standpoint, there is no Dvaita. So what Purvapakshi Shikhamani Kara is trying to do, he is accommodating other things as Kevalanvayi, and still he wants to justify there is no contradiction with Shruti. Like how in the second line he said, Prameyatvadescha swa, in the same tika, second line from top. Swa samanadikarana paramarthikatva atyantabha pratiyogitve api. Swa samanadikarana paramarthik, from paramarthik standpoint, prameyatva, it's atyantabha you can find. But in Vyavahara you will not find. So, tasyapi paramarthikatva avachinna dvaita abhava paratvat. And he supports this. Taduktam vivarane agamena cha dvaitasya tatvamsha badhat iti. By Shruti pramana, agama pramana, dvaitasya tatvamsha badha is there. Dvaita pratiti virodha is not there. Satyatva, tatvikatva in dvaita is refuted. Tatvamsha badha. Iti. So there is no virodha. This part is clear?
Yes, sir.
In Brahma, Prameyatva is there or not?
It is there. Brahma is not Prameya, but in Brahma there is Prameya.
The same thing. Brahma is Prameya or not?
No.
No.
Aprameya.
Aprameya.
Huh?
No.
So what was the other answer somebody gave?
Aprameya.
Up. Then how Vritti Vyapti is possible? See, Tika now. Nacha, first there is one more statement. Nacha lakshane swavritti virodhi iti vyartham. In this lakshana we said swavritti virodhi vrittimat atyanta bhava pratiyogitvam. Swavritti virodhi, somebody says, Ekadeshi or Siddhanti says, this is vyartham. Why this is given? He said no. Why? Because in Sanyoga Atyanta Bhava this is required. Tasya avyapya vrittikasya api Sanyoga Atyanta Bhavadi Sangraharthatvat. This Swavritti Virodhi is required because there is Sanyoga Atyanta Bhava, which is avyapya vritti. Yesterday somebody said avyapya vritti is not clear. Is it clear?
No, Swamiji. Please explain.
Where Ghata is, when I say Ghata is in Hasta, here there is Ghata Hasta Sanyoga. In this part, Ghata Hasta Sanyoga is not there. So, Hasta is the Adhikaran. In one part, Ghata Hasta Sanyoga is there. In the other part, Ghata Hasta Sanyoga is not there. So, where there is Ghata Hasta Sanyoga, there itself there is Ghata Hasta Sanyoga Abhava. According to Nyaya, this is how they think. You will say it is not in the same desha, it is in some other desha. They consider the whole hand as one Adhikarana. Avachedaka is different. Like they give the Drishtanta, Kapi Sanyoga. Kapi Sanyoga is in Vriksha, and Kapi Sanyoga Abhava is also in Vriksha. If the Kapi is on, Kapi means monkey, is on the tree. So Shakha Avachedena Kapi Sanyoga. Mula Avachedena Kapi Sanyoga Abhava. So, Swavritti Virodhi, if you say, Ghata and Ghata Abhava, they are Virodhi. Because where Ghata is, Ghata Abhava cannot be. But they say where Sanyoga, because Sanyoga is not Vyapya Vritti. See, in this Ghata, Rakta Rupa is Vyapya. It is everywhere, inside, outside. This Pataha is Pitaha, is Vyapya Vritti. Everywhere it is same Rupa. But Sanyoga is not like that. It doesn't pervade the Adhikarana completely. It is only in Ekadesha. So that's why it is called Avyapya Vritti. So to accommodate Sanyoga Atyanda Bhava Bhava, whose Pratyogi is Sanyoga Atyanda Bhava, which is Kevalanvayi, right? Sanyoga Atyanda Bhava is Kevalanvayi, because it is Avyapya Vritti. So for Lakshana to go there, which I explained, Swavritti Virodhi, this Visheshana is given. Okay, now Brahma. Brahma is Prameya, and Brahma is also not Prameya. Because Vritti Vyapti is there, so Brahma should be Prameya. So it said in Vyavahara, Brahma becomes Prameya. In Paramartha, Brahma is not Prameya. न च ब्रह्मणः स्वप्रकाशत्वेन तत्र स्वरूपेणापि प्रमेयत्वाभावात् कथं केवलान्वयित्वम् इति वाच्यम्. न च वाच्यम्. This is who is saying na cha iti vacyam?
Siddhanti.
Shikhamani Purva Pakshi. Nacha iti vacyam, up to this is all nacha in on this page is Shikhamani Kara, not Siddhanti. Nacha brahmanah swaprakashatvena tatra swarupenapi pramayatva bhavat katham kevalanvayitvam iti vacyam. Siddhanti will say brahmanah swaprakashat. Brahma is swaprakasha. Brahma is swaprakasha or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Brahma is swaprakasha. Brahmanah swaprakashatvena tatra swarupenapi prameyatva abhavat. 4 number tippani you say. What is swaprakaşatvam? Itara prakāśyatve sati prakāṣamānatvam swaprakaṣatvam. Itara aprakaśyatve sati. इतरेण अप्रकाश्यत्व और अप्रकाशत्वे सति प्रकाशमानत्वम. That which is प्रकाशमान is स्वप्रकाशत्वम. अपराधीन प्रकाशवत्वम इत्यर्थः. पराधीन प्रकाश is not there. स्वस्य प्रकाश. So अपराधीन प्रकाशवत्वम. What is the चित्सुखी लक्षणम?
अवेद्यत्वे सति अपरोक्ष व्यवहारयोग्यत्वम्.
What is that?
अवेद्यत्वे
First word?
सति अपरोक्ष
अवेद-
अवेद्यत्वे
अवेद्यत्वे सति
अपरोक्ष व्यवहारयोग्यत्वम्.
परोक्ष व्यवहार योग्यत्वम. स्वप्रकाशत्वम और स्वयं प्रकाशत्वम. So this is the lakshan given here, same thing. Tatra means Brahmani. Now you see both Moolam also and Tippani also. Tatra Swarupena api Prameyatva Abhavat. That's how it is given. Tatra means Brahmani. Swarupena api means Prameyatvena api. Brahma Prameyatva, because it is Swaprakasha. Swarupena api Prameyatva Abhavat. Prameyatvena Prameyatva Abhavat. Then Katham Kevalanvaitvam, what is given here? Tippanikar says Katham Kevalanvaitvam Prameyatvadina. How Prameyatvadi will be Kevalanvai? Because Prameyatvadi in Brahma, Siddhanti wants to say, in Brahma, Prameyatva is not there. See, pay attention. Ghata is Prameya.
Yes.
Yes.
Vata is Prameya.
Yes.
Yes.
Everything is Prameya. According to Nyaya Darshan, everything is Prameya. Because everything is Prameya, therefore Prameyatva is
केवलान्वयी.
Kevalanvayi. You don't have to do your thing mute as long as there is no noise in the background. That way you can answer the question quickly and I don't have to wait. And I want to know whether everybody is understanding and answering or not. So Brahma is, Purvapakshi says, Prameyatva is Kevalanvayi because everything is Prameya. Siddhanti will say Brahma is not Prameya. If Brahma is not Prameya, how Prameyatva will be Kevalanvayi? This is the argument. Because there is something which is not Prameya. So Prameyatva is not present everywhere. Katham Kevalanvaitvam. Katham Kevalanvaitvam Kasya.
प्रमेयत्वस्य
Prameyatvadina. Prameyatvasya singular is okay. Iti, Shikhamani says, iti nacha vacha. Why? Brahmanopi vritti lakshana prama vishayatvat. Brahma also becomes vishaya of vritti vyapti. Otherwise, how will you have prama about Brahma? Brahmakara vritti itself is pramana for Brahma becoming prameya. Therefore, Prameyatva is in Brahma also. Prameyatva is in everything else. Therefore, Prameyatva is
केवलान्वयी.
केवलान्वयी न च एतावता स्वप्रकाशत्व विरोध. Just by this, स्वप्रकाशत्व विरोध is not there. Just by this, स्वप्रकाशत्व विरोध is not there. Just because it becomes Vishaya of Vritti, it does not become a Swaprakasha. Because according to Vedanta Siddhanta, only if Phalavyapti is accepted, then it becomes Jada. Vritti Vyapti Matrena, it does not become Virodhi of Swaprakasha. Swaprakashatva Virodhi doesn't happen just because it becomes Vritti Vyapti Vishaya. When it Phalavyapti Vishayatva comes, then Swaprakashatva Virodha will be there. This is the Mukhya Siddhanta. So you can use that argument here. He is using something slightly different. But this is the simplest way of understanding. न च एतावता स्वप्रकाशत्व विरोधः अनुपहितस्यैव तथात्वात्. अनुपहित ब्रह्म is स्वप्रकाश. Upahita Brahma means with Brahma with Upadhi can have Aswaprakashatvam. There is no Virodha. This is how he has put it. Anupahitasya tathatvat. Swaprakashatvat. Anupahita is Swaprakash. Okay up to this?
Yes.
Yes.
न च एवमपि नाविधेयत्वं केवलान्वयी. एवमपि न अविधेयत्वं केवलान्वयी. Now prameyatva is done. Avidheyatva has come now. न च you leave. Siddhanti will say evam api avidheyatvam na kevalanvayi. Avidheyatva is not kevalanvayi. Kevalanvayi means
Always present.
everything is abhideya. The Brahma is abhideya or not? What is abhideya first?
Vishaya.
Achya. Vishaya of Shabda is called Abhideya. Vritti Vishaya is called Prameya. Shabda Vishaya is called Avideya. That's why Yato Vacho Nivartante Aprapya Manasasaha, you have both. It does not become Vishaya of Vak, it does not become Vishaya of Vritti. But we say Upanishads reveal Brahma and Brahmakar Vritti reveals Brahma. So Prameyatva of Brahmakar Vritti and Abhideyatva of Upanishad, both are there in Brahma. न च एवमपि नाभिधेयत्वं केवलान्वयी. ब्रह्मणो अनभिधेयत्वात् इति न च वाच्यं. पूर्वपक्ष will say. Siddhanti will say Brahma is anabhideya. He says no, Brahma also will become. How? Brahmano lakshyataya vachyatva abhave api padajanya jnana vishayatvat. This how you should read is Brahmano vachyatva abhave api. In this way you read. Anvaya will be ब्रह्मणः वाच्यत्व अभावे अपि लक्ष्यतया पदजन्य ज्ञान विषयत्वात्. ब्रह्म लक्ष्यार्थ is there. Yesterday we saw in Siddhanta Bindu. Brahma will be known. Vachyatva is not there, but Lakshyatva will be there. Vachyatva is not there. Why? Why Brahma Vachyatva is not there?
जात्यादि अभाव.
Because
Shabda
Shabda Pravritti Nivritti Pravritti Nivritti.
Are not there. Jatyadi. Purvapaksha says, here Shikhamanekara says, Vachyattvasyapi Granthakrita Vakshamanatvacha. By the Granthakara, he will talk about Brahmana Vachyatvam also. Like how we saw yesterday, Satyam Jnanam Anantam. In one Paksha we said Lakshana, in another Paksha we say directly it is revealing where only Chaitanya is taken, Upadhi is left out in that way. Granthakrita Vakshamanatvacha. Nacha evam प्रमेयत्वादि विरोधी वृत्तिमत् अत्यंता भावस्य अप्रसिद्धत्वात् तत्र लक्षण अव्याप्ति. न च एवं, न च विल बी शिखामणिकार, एवं प्रमेयत्वादि विरोधी वृत्तिमत् अत्यंता भावस्य अप्रसिद्धत्वात् तत्र लक्षण अव्याप्ति. So he says yes, but स्ववृत्ति विरोधी वृत्तिमत् अत्यंता भाव प्रतियोगिनो घटादयः प्रसिद्धाः तद अन्यत्वस्य प्रमेयत्वादौ अपि सत्वात्. स्ववृत्ति विरोधी वृत्तिमत् अत्यंता भाव प्रतियोगी is घट, अप्रतियोगी will be प्रमेयत्व, right? स्ववृत्ति विरोधी वृत्ति, here you see this स्ववृत्ति विरोधी वृत्तिमद अत्यंता भाव प्रतियोगी is घट, which is prasiddha घटादय. घट पट रस रूप, they all are स्ववृत्ति विरोधी वृत्तिमद अत्यंता भाव प्रतियोगी, they are prasiddha. Different from that will be tad anya, will be prameyatvadi, so they will become स्ववृत्ति विरोधी वृत्तिमद अत्यंता भाव
Aprasiddha.
अप्रतियोगी. Evam. So that whatever we already saw in the first 4 lines of the Tippani here on this page, we covered that in the class before. Evam. Dhumada vanvaya vyaptim avidusho api व्यतिरेक व्याप्ति ज्ञानाद वन्य ज्ञानम इति अविवादम. So therefore Shikhamanekar comes back for establishing his paksha. What does he want to prove? Evam dhumadau anvaya vyaptim avidusho api. Even someone who does not know anvaya vyapti in dhuma, vyatireka vyapti jnanam is there. Vyatireka vyapti jnanat vanya jnanam. Jnanam is avivadam. There is no objection in that. 1 number Tippani. Page number 91. Yatra yatra dhumas tatra tatra vanni iti anvaya vyapti. Yatra vannir nasti tatra dhumopi nasti. Yatha jalarada iyam vyatireka vyapti. This much is clear?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes.
Yes, Swami.
Yes, Swami.
यस्य पुंसो अन्वय व्याप्ति अज्ञानम तस्य व्यतिरेक व्याप्त्यापि पर्वते धूमदर्शनानंतरम प्रमा जायते. That person who does not have अन्वय व्याप्ति ज्ञानम, पुंसो अन्वय व्याप्ति अज्ञानम, means person who does not know Anvaya Vyapti, he will see Dhuma. He will say, where only by Vyatireka Vyapti. If Vanni is not there, Dhuma will not be there. Dhuma is seen. Therefore, Vanni should be there. So, Dhuma Darshanantaram Vanni Prama Jayate. Prama Jayate means Vanni Prama Jayate. Sa Yathartha Pratyaksha Apratyksha. Yathartha, then Khandakar, Avagraha you put. Sa Yathartha Apratyksha Shabda Upamanartha Upamana Arthapatti Anupalabdha Janya. That Yathartha Prama is not Pratyaksha Shabda Upamana Arthapatti Anupalabdhi. Ato Anumiti eva. Therefore, it is Anumanam. Through Anumanam, Anumiti Prama Jayate. And Anuvyavasaya Jnanam is also there. Anuminomi iti Anuvyavasayena api asya anumititvam urari karyam swikaryam iti bhavaha. In Moolam, tacha anumitireva vannim anuminomi iti anuvyavasayat. So, this Anumanam Vyatireka Vyapti, according to Shikhamani, even if somebody does not have Anvaya Vyapti Jnanam, only on the basis of Vyatireka Vyapti, he will be able to know the Jnanam of Vanni in the Parvata. So, he thinks it is possible. Okay. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Krutau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.